exercise. Hey, girl. Hi, Brookie. Good. Hey, Brooke. Hi. Hi there. Hi, Brooke. Brooke. Hey. Got the hiccup? Yeah, the hiccup. Hi, Brooke. Hi there. Mama go see you trying to exercise. Hi. Hey, grandmama. Hey, grandmama. Say hi. Let's see, can you exercise? Can you get up? There, what's up? You trying to turn? You trying to turn? You trying to exercise? Say, mommy, look at almost mom. Say, mom, I'm trying to grow. Look at Brooke moving.